felt like we had a really good team last year. Obviously, we didn't get the district, but we were top 20 in the state ranked when we started off, and then when we got finished. And it was really tough when we got the news we were shut down. Just something that we'll never forget, having to go through that. But new year and ready to get rolling now.
We played pretty good down in Georgetown, came back, we're playing good here, and then our third tournament we got here, and second day, unfortunately, we got the word that school was going to be shut down. It was really heartbreaking to get our season taken away from us.
I mean, we've been working hard. I mean, it started early, so we're getting after it. We had some opportunities to get some extra practice in and really prepare for this year.
Yeah, these guys behind me here, they've worked extremely hard. They're hungry just to get back on the field. You can really tell the last couple of weeks, they're so excited to be on the field. They're not going to take anything for granted this year, understanding that we're going to go one game at a time and one day at a time, and we're having a lot of fun. I'm having more fun than I've ever had, just because when you get something like that taken away from you, it really makes you appreciate what we have and what we're able to do out here every day.
Well, my expectations are high. I go out there, I'm going to do my job on the mound, and they're going to do their job behind me playing defense, and in the offensive side hitting bombs and doubles and triples. So hopefully we're going to get a lot of wins this year.
It takes hard work. I mean, it's not easy. It's a grind every day. You got to get out here, give 100% in practice, and then translate into the games, be consistent.